The bird. There's a bird. If you could see him, it has ants all over him or her. Sorry, I'm zoomed in too much. So that's the bird. I just saw him. Flip him up. Ugh, it's pregnant. Then throat down. It looks like that's his butt. Yep, I think that's his butt inside that hole. Oh my gosh. That is just nasty and weird. Too many dead birds are dying. Well, I'll just let him get eaten, I guess. He's already dead. I hate ants. Why? Why ants? Why? He's just gonna go down. Actually, I'll do a funeral. So just keep that right there. Videoing that. Videoing the bird. So I'll just hold it. And what I want to do is just dig a hole right. I'll do it right here. Right here. Just dig a deep hole. Alright, and then just gotta put all that dirt around. And if I get 10 likes in 3 days, I will get stung by poison ivy. Alright, so what I want to do is just make the hole deeper. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. He was a little happy bird, but he died. And the mama cried. Why? The mama cried. Why? Oh my gosh. Just gotta throw some dirt on it. Bye, birdie. Bye, birdie. Please like and subscribe, and you will win a free fidget spinner.